So here we are, Super Tucano, Avios Super Tucano Flight 2. So really enjoyed that first flight. No lie, I didn't have to use any trim. If you set for level flight, no trim needed. So if you set the control surfaces neutral and you get the CG spot on where they say, which is 70 to 80 millimeters back from the leading edge of the wing where it meets the fuselage, then it should be good. The only thing that didn't go so well was knife edge. Didn't really sustain it, and you'll see on the first video on that first knife edge, I bailed out of it, I rolled out of it because it couldn't sustain it on full rudder. So all I've done is moved in the clevis in 2 holes. So it's on the third hole in on the rudder on that clevis, but use it on the outer hole on the servo.
I'll just zoom in on that just so you can see.
And with that, I hope I will get good knife edge all the way length down the flying field. That's the only change I've made. So let's fly it again. I'll try and fly it a bit more aggressively, a bit lower, a bit harder, and see how it goes. It's not like I was that tentative on the maiden flight, Trev.
No, you was enjoying it.
I was enjoying it. It did fly very well. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Don't think I needed flaps. It got in the air so quick. Okay, here we go.
Alright. Wow, that noise. You can't get bored of that noise, can you? Yeah, look at that.
Damn, it's good.
I can just see from the camera that it's flying amazing.
That is almost F3A style precision flying with this thing. Just so good.
And that's with a crosswind as well.
Yeah. Oh dear.
It's the noise,
You
isn't
can
it?
never get bored of that noise and the way it flies. You fly it so tight as well.
It's a big plane as well,
Big
isn't it?
plane, and it doesn't. There's no hint of a snap. Low speed characteristics, spot on.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
The detail on it is amazing, isn't it? It looks so
Yeah.
real as you're flying it.
Sorry, this is the best plane that Avios have ever done. End of. It's just brilliant. I'm speechless how well that flies. I mean, it's fast enough. It's got the prop noise. Looks fantastic. Slow speed characteristics are brilliant. Even without flap, half flap, full flap. The aerobatics are almost F3A, bang, bang, bang on the knife edge, on the 4-point rolls, 8-point rolls. It's magic.
What was it like inverted? Did you have to use much down elevator?
A little,
which
but
is a good
certainly wasn't flying that flat out and nice and stable. You know, you'd expect it to need a little bit of elevator inverted, but nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Yeah, really good. Really good. 2 flights, and I don't feel like I need to learn anything or more about it. I really enjoy flying it. Thanks for filming, Trev. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you don't follow Essential RC, please do. We have so much fun with this hobby and trying out all these different RCs. But this is one of the best we've tried recently. See you soon. Bye. Right, here we go.
Yeah, look at that.